Hey guys, welcome to AutoCraze once again. You've seen us, we're the king of bling. We do Rangers, Hiluxes, Tridents. We've also even done an AMROC, but today I've got this Navara MP300 behind me. This is big red. We're going to be doing a front bar, rear bar, color-coded rival bars. We're also going to be doing the winch, EGR bolt-on flares, also a set of steel wheels and the FALKEN MT. Stay tuned guys and check Big Red out.
Hey guys, Ryan here from AutoCraze. We've got a MP300 Nissan Navara in today. We're doing a complete lift kit in it. So we've got the 2.5 inch Dobson shock wrapped in the AutoCraze spring. So we're just trying to get a little bit more height. We're putting some bigger tyres on it. We head to the rear and we've got some fancy stuff back there. Once again, we've got the bigger AutoCraze spring. We're gonna put it around the Dobson 2.5 inch rear shock, get some more lift in the rear end, try and get it leveled out. Putting a new bar on it. Actually the bar itself's been painted in the same colour as the car, so something different and something fancy.